Got our final core plug in here. If you guys remember, couldn't do this when it was on the engine stand. That's for the back of the camshaft. So we got that all in and nice and tight. Got our brand new pilot bearing in. We're gonna do the flywheel here next. Now when I do the flywheel, I need to make sure we put liquid Teflon on the flywheel bolts, because these are drilled all the way through, so you will get oil out of flywheel bolt holes. All right, so we got everything ready to go, and I go to put the bell housing on and the plate, which is over there. It's easier to demonstrate this with the bell because it's larger. This is a completely different flange. Like, what the fuck's going on here? I mean, I know what's going on here, but we're kind of fucked at the moment, because this is not the correct bell housing.